Ceviche. It's one of the most popular summer dishes and it absolutely feeds a crowd. Not only is this recipe extremely healthy for you, but it's also delicious and requires very little prep work. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make traditional ceviche as quickly as possible utilizing some kitchen tools. And I want to make sure that this summer, your ceviche absolutely blows away your family and friends. Let's dive in. Ceviche is one of our favorite dishes, especially around summertime, because it's fresh, it's extremely healthy, and you can make a lot of it and host a lot of family and friends. Okay, so technically this isn't a dinner in under 30 video because ceviche needs some time to properly cook in the lime juices. But the prep work is definitely under 30 minutes. And if you do it ahead of time, you leave it in the fridge, you can go do something else. When you come back, the ceviche is done and you literally have an amazing dish that's gonna last you for a long time and that's gonna feed a lot of people. Now there's so many different variations of ceviche. You can literally add as much seafood as you want. We're gonna keep it very simple. We're gonna do ceviche with shrimp and swai fish. Now the reason why I'm using swai is because swai is a very mild tasting and buttery, fatty fish. And for the majority of people, especially those that aren't really fish fans, swai works really well. The shrimp gives it an added elevated taste, which just makes it really, really delicious. And we're gonna keep it on the mild side. We're not gonna get too spicy. We're gonna try to keep it mild, but you can make it as spicy as you want. Just add more serranos or more jalapeno peppers. Personally, I like my ceviche loaded with meat, so I even like to add octopus in there or squid and really go all out. But I understand there's a lot of people out there that don't wanna do that. They're not necessarily the biggest seafood fans out there, so we'll keep it simple. Now, something that's really gonna help you prep for ceviche is actually getting a lime press and a chopper. If you guys haven't already, go check out my video, Essential Tools for Your Kitchen, that's actually under $20. In that video, I go over the importance of having a lime press, especially for this scenario, making ceviche, and also a vegetable press, which will help you chop all of the onions, the cucumber, the tomato. It just makes life a lot easier, and it's just a press chop. Stick everything in there. It chops it up for you in perfect, consistent sizes for the ceviche. So with that being said, let's go make some ceviche. Okay, the first thing we gotta do is wash, clean, and peel the shrimp. And don't forget to devein them. You gotta make sure you start off with clean ingredients because you definitely do not want to get your guests sick. Okay, now the next step is to chop up your shrimp and your fish, but you don't want to chop them up too fine because then you're basically serving up your guests baby whale food. But you don't want to leave them too chunky because then they're going to take a really long time to cook in the lime. Now we like using cod or swai for its rich buttery flavor, but its mild fishy taste, but you can also use tilapia. Okay, now to save some time, we're going to run all of our vegetables through our press chopper. But in order to do that, you have to first cut them into manageable sizes, and you also have to cut them in half so they don't come out too long or chunky. But trust me, the prep chopper still saves you a lot of prep time. I think it's absolutely crucial to include some jalapeno or serrano peppers. You can always de-seed them to remove some of that edge. Now don't forget to hand chop some cilantro, which absolutely takes this dish to a whole nother level and really gives it that summery vibe. Now if this is the first time you've ever cooked ceviche, I highly recommend you allow the meat to fully cook in the lime by itself for at least an hour to an hour and a half before adding in the other ingredients. But we had some time to spare because we were going to take our daughter to the park. So we went ahead and mixed in all of the vegetables and the ingredients and pressed in our lime. And then we're going to go ahead and put the whole thing in the refrigerator and allow it to cook for 3 hours. Now there's some people out there that prefer ceviche the next day. They swear that the lime juice just completely penetrates all the ingredients and elevates the flavor. It's entirely up to you. I always like to squeeze in some fresh lime the next day just to enhance the flavor. Now make sure the entire dish is completely submerged in lime to ensure that you fully cook the meat. Once you've ensured that everything is fully cooked, salt and pepper to taste. Grab your favorite tostadas, spoon a healthy amount of ceviche, chop up some avocados, and slap on some tapatio. Your ceviche is done. It may not be dinner in under 30 minutes, but it's definitely easy to prepare and it feeds a large crowd, and you can do something else while it fully cooks. That's it for me, guys. I hope you found this video informative, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care. Hey everybody, how'd you guys like that last video? Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified on my next video. And if you can, please share with your family and friends. I would really appreciate it. Here's some more content that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. Check them out. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.